Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinches class. I am back with another sound, and today I have an exciting sound x, x, x. Now sound x comes from letter X. Yes, it comes from letter X. Let's look at the blends. So we have X, we have X, we have X and Ox. Yeah. Let's look at the word formation. I want to tell you that some sounds are silent in some words. Yes. So let's start with the first one. Ox, ox, and ox. Yes. Then taxi, taxi, taxi. Yes, a taxi which we use to go to different places. Then six, 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 number 6. Then fox, fox, a fox. Then axe, axe, the axe. The last sound is silent. We do not pronounce it, so we have axe. Yes, axe. The next one is box, 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 a box. And the last one is X-ray, X-ray. And the last sound is silent. We do not pronounce it, so we say X-ray, X-ray. Let's now go to the sentences. Yes, these are 6 axes. These are 6 axes. Then the next one, that is a taxi. That is a taxi. And the last one, this is a big box. Hey, this is a big box. Yes, and that's it for sound X. I hope you practice and master sound X. So we hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying bye bye.